Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Zee Collection. Have you ever wondered if a simple 5 euro-cent coin could be worth a fortune? Well, today we're diving into the France 5 euro-cent coin from 1999, a seemingly humble coin that could have $1 million value in the right conditions. Sounds unbelievable? Stick around and you'll see how. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting coin discovery journeys. And full details: country France, period, European Union, Euro, 1999. 2025 currency Euro coin type circulation coins denomination 5 euro-cent currency rate 5 cents equals 0.05 US year 1999-202426 composition copper plated steel edge type smooth shape round alignment metal 0 degrees weight G 3.92 diameter mm 21.25 thickness mm 1.67 first. Let's take a closer look at the coin itself. The France 5 euro-cent from 1999 features some iconic French symbols. On the obverse side, we see the map of Europe with the name of the country, France, inscribed. The reverse shows the French denomination 5 centimes with the famous French motto Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, freedom, equality, brotherhood. This coin was part of the first series of euro coins, launched after the introduction of the euro currency in 1999. Over 1.5 billion 5-cent coins were minted during this period across various European countries. However, why does a 1999 French 5 euro-cent coin stand out from the crowd? This coin weighs 2.30 grams, is made of copper-plated steel, and has a diameter of 21.25 millimeters. But just because it's lightweight doesn't mean its value is too. Now, here's where things get interesting. The 1999 French 5 euro-cent coin, while produced in large numbers, is sometimes found to have mint errors. These errors are what make coins truly valuable. For instance, some coins may have misprints or irregularities in design, such as misalignment of the image or even a double strike. Coins with mint errors often attract collectors looking for rarities. The condition of the coin plays a big role in determining its value. A coin in perfect uncirculated, or BU condition, with no wear and tear, will fetch a higher price than one that's been circulating for years. One of the most valuable 5 euro-cent coins from 1999 comes from a specific minting batch with a slight design flaw in the map of Europe. This error was only discovered when a few collectors noticed something strange in the geography of the coin. If you find one of these rare mint errors in your collection, you might just be holding a coin worth thousands, even millions of dollars. Now let's get to the juicy part: real-life sales. Recently, a 1999 French 5 euro-cent with a rare mint error sold at auction for a jaw-dropping $1 million. Yes, you heard that right. $1 million. This was a highly unique coin that was graded MS 70 by the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, making it perfect in every way. The auction created a media frenzy as coin collectors and enthusiasts couldn't believe a coin so small could command such a high price. But how does one determine the value of a coin like this? Several factors come into play. Coins in mint state or uncirculated condition are the most valuable. Coins with errors or low mintage numbers become more sought after. Popularity among collectors and investors can drive up prices exponentially. If you're wondering how you can find such rare coins, here are a few tips. The mint mark on coins can tell you which country's mint produced them. Pay attention to any design flaws or differences in appearance that might suggest an error, that a loop or magnifying glass can help you spot smaller errors that are invisible to the naked eye. It's also essential to know how to grade your coin. A coin graded as MS 70 is perfect, while AU, almost uncirculated, or XF, extremely fine, coins will be worth less. For those serious about valuing their collection, consider sending your coins to a professional grading service like NGC or PCGS. The coin collecting market is growing fast. Investors are starting to recognize the potential of rare coins as long-term investments. Coins, especially those with unique features, are not just memorabilia. They're becoming assets that can outperform traditional stock markets. While a $1 million coin is an extreme example, it's clear that the 1999 French 5 cent coin could serve as a symbol of the wider potential of coin investing. Whether you're an experienced collector or a newcomer, looking for rare coins with mint errors or low mintage could be a wise investment. So, there you have it. The 1999 French 5 cent is more than just a small coin. It's a piece of history with the potential to be worth millions if you find the right one. Always keep an eye out for those hidden gems in your collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Zee Collection.